Hey everyone, Steph Beckett here at InfoComm 2023. I can't believe it, and I'm here with one of my very, very good friends in the AV industry, Mr. John Henkel. How's it going?
You're too kind, Steph. Thank you. I'm happy to be here with you too. Thanks.
Yes, I'm so glad that you were my first interview of the day because I was like, oh, just starting the day off on a wonderful note.
That's sweet. It's less pressure for me too because we go back years, which is awesome, and it's more comfortable talking about what's going on.
I still remember the first time you introduced yourself to me. I think it was at InfoComm 2021, and you were like, hey, I just respect what you do, and I was like, that made my whole day. So yeah, every time I get to like come and talk to you at a show, it's always like a treat.
Sweet. Well, I do. I know I've done on the other side of it. I was editor for a long time, so I understand that part of it. So that's why I do respect what you do because you guys take care of us.
I appreciate it. So yeah, you are at the show. You've got a lot going on, and the show is like just kind of soft opened, but I'm already seeing a lot of people over at your booth. So tell me a little bit about what is going on for you guys lately. You are announcing a lot of not new partnerships, but extended partnerships. You've got your engineering team here, kind of promoting your engineering services. So yeah, let's just talk about what you got going on.
There's a lot. We could be here all day talking about what's going on. So you mentioned some of the new announcements. Yes, partners like Visionary Solutions has upped their partnership with us, and we've been working with them for years, and now they're tighter than ever with us. They've used our switches, recommend them, and they sell our switches as well. So along with them and Crestron, and I knew I was going to forget the other one. There's a third profile we added to our AV user interface. Really, it's our AV OS now because it's really powering the entire system. But we have a profile for Visionary and for Crestron. So when you have those equipment, those boxes in your system, it'll detect them automatically and put little V for little Visionary logo right on the port. Same for Crestron, and we did the same thing for Shure a couple years ago. So it just makes that ease of setup even better because you can look at a switch and see, oh, Visionary's right there.
Talk about your engineering services a little bit.
Yeah, that's always been a really good thing for us. And I think at first we kind of downplayed the importance of that, and we're realizing that was one of the biggest things. Yeah, our switches work, yeah, they're great. But we can get support like instantly, and all those people are here too. So if you're coming by the show, booth 3723, of course this lives on after the show too, they're all here. What they do is help you design your system. So they'll help you pick your switch first. We have a bunch of switches, so if you don't know what the heck's going on, it's your first install or it's your 90th, it doesn't matter. They'll help figure out which switch, and we have some new ones to talk about. They'll help design your network, they'll help you through install, troubleshooting, and it's all for free, which is kind of a weird thing to say. It's free design help, and it's through an email address, proavdesign@netgear.com, gets you this team of about a dozen people worldwide. So it's not just here in the US, it's not just a West Coast thing where we're based, it's all across the world, and they're all here too. So that's some love we're showing the industry.
Yeah, that's really nice, and because like integrators need that support no matter what, and not all support is created equal. Like not a lot of manufacturers do that. A lot of them are like, all right, here's our stuff.
Bye-bye.
Good luck, and if you have a problem, figure it out. You got a CTS. So it's nice that you guys are like with them every step of the way.
Absolutely. Our team are mostly IT trained, but now over the last 3 or 4 years, now they're AV trained. And they love it. I mean, these people you talk to them just off the record even, they're like, this is cool being part of AV because there's some really neat things happening, and they have this IT cred. So they'll help you because they know that you're in a situation back of a rack on a Saturday night, and they've actually had phone calls, or in the old days you'd fly somebody out. Now we don't have to as much. We can log in and help you figure out what's going on. So they're really good people, they really care, and they've been through hundreds of projects now. So they know, chances are they know, oh, you're using Crestron NVX, well make sure you set this correctly on that unit. Not just our switches, but we'll help you with everything else.
That's really great, and that's just a testament to like what kind of company NETGEAR is.
Yeah, it's really from the top down. I mean, that's been the fun part about being there for 3.5 years now, I think, is commitment to Pro AV from the top down, make the right products, get the right people involved, and help the industry. Of course, we're not altruistic. We want to sell products. But the best way to do that is to make them successful, make the installers successful by giving them a product that is configured out of the box for one thing, but also just give you all the tools that make it work better.
Yeah. And that's going to make them like a lifelong person who's going to constantly want to spec more.
Exactly. It isn't just, well, there's been other phrases I won't say, but you can't go wrong with so-and-so, you can't get fired for using so-and-so.
Yeah.
I think that's going to start transferring to us now too, because people realize NETGEAR's here to win it, and we're here, we got your back too.
Yeah, that's great. Are there any other partnerships like on the horizon, or any like little hints you can give me for what to expect in the coming future?
Oh, I hadn't thought about preparing a little tease there.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine. I can think on my feet really quick. Okay. There's all kinds of partners. We have like over 100 here at the show itself, over 200 I think on the website. We had to reorganize them recently because there's so many of them. It's just ongoing. Every day there's some other new partner. I don't have anybody to tease for you yet, actually.
All right. but you know who to send the news to when you do.
I do indeed.
Sounds great. Well, John, I hope you have a great rest of the show. It was lovely getting to talk to you. And last question for you, where can people find more information?
That's easy. Thank you, Steph. Netgear.com/AV. Have a good show, by the way.
Thank you so much. All right, and don't forget on our end as well, you can go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm for all your InfoComm 2023 coverage. Once again, I'm Steph Beckett. This is John Henkel, and we will see you next time. Bye.